In this series, I will try to explain how a complete car, which is a real physical system, can be discretized and simulated in real time. When I say complete, I mean from airflow to motion of the vehicle. I started the project and I'm still working on it. Whole project is open source and I will try to explain my workflow as much as I can. In this way, you will have some fun too, and you will be able to get involved and point out my mistakes if I had. From the very far away, that is, from the perspective of the end user, when accelerator pedal is pressed, some magical things happen and the vehicle start moving. In this model, we cannot get much information about the system, and that is actually a proper product because the end user just want to move the car, not want to think or know about the system. Anyway, if you want to get data from the system, you need to add subsystems. More you add subsystems, more you can calculate different data, and more you know, more you can control or optimize things. That is why I will try to model a complete car. And if I can run my model in real time, I can visually see and interact with it, which is fun. Talking about the fun, whole project is just playground and I want to see how far we can improve.